still get a lot of questions on the topic of price drops versus offer to likers versus automatic offers. And so mostly this refers to PosherVA, and if you're a person that uses PosherVA as your Poshmark helper to get more sales, which I highly recommend. So today I just kind of want to go through the difference. If you are a person that knows the difference between all of these things, this may not be the video for you, but I do get questions from people that are maybe not as tech savvy or people that are new and just really are confused between all of the different ways that you can use PosherVA to help you with your Poshmark closet and help you make sales and these different tactics and strategies. So I'm going to go through exactly what each one is, and then I'm going to share my screen and show how you access it and where you access it and what it looks like in your PosherVA so that you can make the most out of all of these different features for yourself. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So PosherVA is a Poshmark bot, Poshmark automation system that you can purchase. You pay a monthly subscription. I think it's $29. And if you use my code Rebecca the Reseller, you can get 20% off. And it basically allows you to use automation to do tasks for you that you would never have the time to do yourself. So it will share for you. You just set it all up and it will do it for you and you don't have to worry about it. It will send offers for you. It will do price drops for you. It will do lots of different things. So today we're going to talk about, again, the difference between automatic offer to likers, bulk offers or sending out offers, and the price drops. So there's three different features that we're going to show. So the first one is automatic offer to likers, and this is an area that says action. I guess I should just share my screen. So let me go ahead and pull up the screen share. Okay, so here we are on the screen and I have my Poshmark closet up. And then I'm going to go up to my Google Chrome extension, PosherVA, and click on it. So I'm already signed up for it. I already have it all set up. And so, you need to get yourself to that point, but it's not that hard. So now we're going to go into the area called Actions up at the top. And then you have three different things. You have automatic offer to likers, you have send bulk offers, and you have bulk price updating. So the first thing is automatic offer to likers. This is when I say send 20% offer on the like. So the first line of defense that I have in making a sale is I have my PosherVA set to, I just clicked on the arrow, that after 5 minutes of somebody liking an item, a fixed percentage discount of 20% and a fixed discount of this shipping, $5.95 shipping, will go out. And I don't have any exclusions or anything. You can exclude all sorts of things. There's lots of different criteria. So you just have to set this up to say how many minutes after they like the item, and then what discount you want to offer, what shipping discount. And then if you have minimum net earnings, you can put a minimum in there. I have everything priced in a way where I don't have to worry about this. But if you don't, you might want to put, I want to make a minimum of $10 earnings. And then you would put $10 in that field. And then it won't send the offer unless, even with the 20% offer, you will still make $10 in earnings. So they have all these different fail-safes here. So then maximum price of items. So if you wanted to send out offers up to a certain price point, you can do that. If you have exclude items listed in the last 24 hours, so you just listed a whole bunch of stuff, you don't want any of those to get offers, you only want to send it on older stuff, you can say how many hours you want it to wait. You can exclude new with tags items, you can exclude boutique items, and then you can exclude individual items by URL, where you have to pull up the URL and then you add it in there. I don't have any of that because I follow a pricing formula, so it makes everything easy and I don't have to worry about any of this. But once you have all of those criteria added, then you just click save. Mine is already active, so I don't have to do anything. If yours was inactive, then you'd want to click save and make sure that it's green. If you want to stop it, you click disable. But once you set this up once, you don't have to ever do it again. So set it up once. I recommend 20% 5 minutes after the like. Boom, there you have it. So that's automatic offer to likers. It's automatically after the like going to send the offer. That's one kind of, thing. This doesn't change the price. This is an offer that will expire after 24 hours. So it's sending a private offer to the person that liked the item. One person. Sally likes your dress. 5 minutes later, she gets a 20% off offer. The dress is still listed for $50, but she's going to get an offer for $40. It's going to expire after 24 hours if she doesn't buy it. That's that. The second thing is send bulk offers. This is what I talk about when I say I have an offer to likers strategy. I send out progressive and aggressive offers utilizing the waterfall method 3 times a week. I have a whole video on this, so you can go ahead and find that. I'm also going to do a separate video about the waterfall method explained, and I'm going to give my exact schedule written out so you can follow it in detail. So that will be a separate video because otherwise this video would be too long. But this is just to show you all the different things. So this is going to send out offers in bulk. So it's similar to the automatic offer to likers in that it's an offer. It's not changing the price of your item. It's sending a private offer to the people who have liked the item. So if you have the dress listed at $50 and you send out bulk offers for 20% off, which you wouldn't because you're sending the offer to liker out automatically for 20%. So you would want to send your bulk offer for 30%. Whatever 30% of 50 is, so $35, they're going to send a $35 offer out privately, and it will expire after 24 hours if nobody buys it. So it's still an offer. It's not changing the price at all. So if you send bulk offers, you can determine what percentage, what shipping discount. Do you want it to go on all of the items in your closet, or do you want it to go out on a subset from the page? So if I used the filters over here to pull all of my skirts, and I searched by women, skirts, and everything on this page on Poshmark was skirts in my closet, then I could apply subset from page and it would just send out offers on all of my skirts. I don't do any of that. I send all the offers out on everything all together. So I do 30%, $5.95 all, and then I don't have a minimum earnings, but it's the same like the other one. You could put minimum earnings. You can have excluded listing in the past, however. So if I listed something today, I don't want it to go out on those items I listed today, then I would change that. I could exclude new tags, I could exclude boutique, and I can exclude items that are on the automatic offer to liker exclusion list. So if you have it set up for your automatic offer to likers to exclude certain items, and now you want to send out bulk offers, which I'll explain the difference, you can also pull in that same exclusion list over here and it won't send them to those either. So what's the difference? They're both offers, but the automatic offer to likers is Sally sees your dress, she likes your dress. It will automatically send a 20% offer to her 5 minutes after she likes it. Okay, then that offer expires and she doesn't buy it. But you are a person that are like me. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you send out bulk offers on your whole closet. So the automatic offer to liker was just to Sally when she liked it. Bulk offers are all items in your closet. You're sending an offer to anyone that likes that item. So if Sally liked your dress, she didn't buy it after the 20%, that offer expires. The next day is your day to send offers, and you send out a 30% bulk offer. It's going to go all on all your items, but anybody that liked that dress, including Sally, is going to get a 30% offer now. And because she didn't take the 20% offer and it expired, and this is higher than the last offer by 10%, it's 30%, the other one was 20%, because it has to be higher. she will get this 30% offer. Now, if you then do the waterfall method and send out the 40% offer, she just got the 30% offer. So she won't get the 40% offer. So that's going to be more in the waterfall video explained. But just so you know, a person can only get one offer at a time. Poshmark prevents you from spamming people. So they can only get one offer at a time, and it has to expire, and they won't get another offer from you unless it is 10% higher than the last one. So you can't send out 20% offers every single day, and these people are just getting spam, spam, spam. Poshmark won't let you do that. Poshmark will let you send 20% today, then that can expire, then you can send 30% the next day, that will expire, then they can get 40% the next day, so they can get that. So bulk offers is on your whole closet to anyone that likes that item. So that's that. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs, everything that I have created, and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. So again, automatic offer to likers on the like, send bulk offers, anyone that likes the item for your whole closet. These are just offers. They expire after 24 hours. It doesn't change the price. Then the third thing is bulk price updating. So this is when you are actually changing the price. So the first two are offers, they expire. This is changing the price of your item for all to see. So it was $50, you're going to drop it 10%. Now it's $45. It was $50, you want to drop it 20%. Now it's $40 for everyone to see. So you can pick drop price or increase price. Most of the time people are dropping the price. Where do you want to drop it from? Its lowest historical price or the actual current price? Because you could have had a dress at 50, dropped it to 40, put it back to 50. Well, they want to know, do you want to drop it 10% from 50 or do you want to drop it 10% from 40? If you want to participate in closet clear out, if they're still doing that, I don't even know, I don't pay attention if they're doing that or not, you have to drop it 10% from the lowest historical price, which is why this is here. So if you had it up for 50, one day you dropped it to 40, then you put it back to 50, and now you want to drop it again to participate in closet clear out, you have to drop it less than 40. 10% off of 40, so now you'd be at 36. So you're dropping your price. You can pick lowest historical price or the actual current price. What percent do you want to drop it? Usually it's like a 10% drop. And then you can determine some exclusions and criteria. So if you don't want to drop it, if it doesn't have at least 5 likes, why would you drop the price of an item if it has no likes? Doesn't make sense. If you only have 2 likes on it, maybe you don't want to bother dropping the price. That's not enough likes in your opinion to warrant them getting the notification that the price dropped, and you don't think that's enough people that's going to make a sale. So maybe you say, I'm going to drop the price only on items that have 20 likes. I mean, that's your choice. And then you can choose from all items or a subset from the page. So again, if you wanted to search for all skirts in your closet, you just use the filter, have those all pulled up, and then run this on subset, and then it will only do it on the skirts. And then there's lots of pricing criteria here and days listed criteria, just like the other ones, as far as don't keep dropping it below this point, so you can put a minimum, or don't drop it if it's new, you can put that. Don't drop it if it's new with tags or boutique. And then you can do in reverse order, which I think just helps keep the order of your closet. If somebody I don't keep my closet in any sort of order anymore, but people do. And so you could do it in reverse order so everything will stay in the right order. Yes. And then you just click start. So that is a permanent change to the price of your item. It does generate a notification if you send it at least 10% off the lowest historical price. It will send it to the likers, but it's not an offer, so it doesn't expire. It's permanently changing the price. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you list with Vendoo, these things are happening directly in Poshmark. It doesn't matter for the offers because those are just offers and they'll expire. But for the bulk pricing updating, let's say you have an item that you listed with Vendoo for $50. Then you go here and you drop the price to $40. That change happened in Poshmark, but it did not happen in Vendoo. And so it may not matter to you, but if you were to go in Vendoo and relist that item, let's say you do bulk delisting and relisting or something, it will relist whatever is in Vendoo. So you had it at 50, you used PosherVA to drop it to 40, Vendoo didn't change, Poshmark says 40. Then you go to Vendoo and delist, relist, it says 50 still in there. It's going to relist it back at 50. Now, I like that. And when I would do price drops, I thought that was great because I could, in Poshmark, drop it a few times. If it still doesn't sell, I could relist it with Vendoo back to the original price. And then I could drop it again if I want and see if that initiates a sale. So it is a strategy that you can use. I just want you to be aware that it's not going to talk back to Vendoo if you change the price using PosherVA. So that's important to know. And then again, these are all different things, 3 different things, but you can use them all in conjunction with each other to make even more sales. I use all 3 of these features. So I will create that video, which is the waterfall method explained, so you'll get that. But hopefully this clears up any confusion between automatic offers, sending bulk offers, which is what I mean when I do the waterfall strategy, and then the bulk price updating, which is dropping prices usually. So I hope that is helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if it was, or if you have any other questions that maybe I didn't cover in this video on those 3 topics, or if you want to know any more stuff about PosherVA that you find confusing, I'm happy to help. Thanks and have a great day. Bye! PosherVA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add PosherVA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.